Hello friends, I am Nagendra and once again I am back. In my previous video, basically I discussed about the bot, and today in this video I will discuss about the intent. So basically bot I have already discussed, so the today topic is intent. Okay, so just move on the intent. So basically it is I just getting all the documents from the AWS official website. So intent, what is intent? So basically intent is a goal that user want to accomplish through a conversation with a bot. You can have one and more related intent. So the main thing is when you create a chatbot, so every chatbot has an intent. Like suppose in an example I can show you with the example. So like suppose you have a chatbot, and in this chatbot what's your intent? Your intent is job, because you are looking a job in this chatbot. So the main thing is intent is job. So I think you can easily understand what is intent. So you can easily see when I type the job, so it's just giving the response behalf of the job, so it's the intent is job. Okay, I just move on the second step. Each intent has sample utterances that convey how to user might express the intent. So the second is utterances. So what is utterances? I will discuss the utterances in my next video. But the main thing, if you want to call the intent, so you need to provide some utterances. Like in my example, you can easily see I just pass a job. Okay, so it's like an example of the utterances. So when I type the job in my chatbot, so it's automatically call the intent, which name is job. Okay, and in the third one is in this AWS LEX you have some predefined, yeah, you can say some already created some intent also, and I can show you what's the intent. So in this AWS, so here is some types of intent you have already. So basically it's some predefined, yeah, already created intended, so you can directly use out of them, like cancel intent, fallback intent, help intent. There are lots of intended. Okay, and the fourth one is the Amazon fallback intent is added by default to every languages. So when you created any chatbot, so in the previous video I have already shown you that when you created a chatbot, so when you created a bot, so a fallback intent is automatically created. Okay, so I just show you in my example also. You remember that in my previous video I created a bot, and its name is y-bot. Okay, and I can show you this one. So you see in the left hand side I just click on the intent, because so you already see that when I created a bot, so fallback intent is automatically created along with some intent also. So my today topic is intent, so I'm just creating some intent. So I need to click add intent, then I click on the empty intent, and like my intent is like related to job. Okay, so I created a name add. So you can see that my intent is created with the name of the job, but the main thing is how we can call this intent, and after that what is utterances role in this intent. So all the things I will discuss about in my next video. So guys, thank you for watch my video, and guys please subscribe my video, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you guys. So don't worry about it, I will discuss about all the things in my upcoming video, like utterances, sample utterances, and what all the things. Bye guys, thank you so much.